Hello. Let's get started with a full overview of the asset. In the File Sources section, you can choose where the tool scans for characters. Here, you can decide if you want to scan TMP components across all scenes or just the currently open one. The Addressables section is prepared for future updates. Support for scanning addressables content is already implemented in the backend, but it's not yet fully available in the current version. In the Unicode filter, you can select which character sets you want to include in the scan, such as Japanese or Chinese. In the Extra Characters field, you can specify additional symbols that will be added to the TMP fonts. At the top, you'll find the preset system, where you can save your current settings. You can also update, delete, or mark existing presets as favorites. Favorited presets will appear in the bottom left corner, where you can select them with a single click. Now let's test it by running the character scan. The scan has completed successfully. You can see how many characters were found and how many files were scanned. There's also a scan log with detailed information. In the Collected Characters section, you can see all the characters that were found during the scan. On the right side, you can add TMP font assets to update them. If you want to create a new one, switch to plain font mode and add your font there. For now, let's update an existing font and see the result. As you can see, the font has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching.